Hello, and welcome to The 5-Minute Show, the place where insightful discussions happen in just a blink of an eye. I'm thrilled to have you here for today's episode, where we're diving into a topic that affects many of us, gaslighting. In the next few minutes, we'll explore 10 signs that someone might be gaslighting you. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's unravel the layers of this complex psychological phenomenon together. Number 1, denial of reality. People who manipulate others often use tactics like denying, pretending to care, making someone feel alone, and blaming them for things. These tactics are meant to control and make the person depend on the manipulator. It's important to notice these tricks to break free from the mental harm and get support to recover. Number 2, fake concern. Gaslighters fake concern for your well-being, employing false empathy to undermine confidence and foster dependence. This insidious tactic masks manipulation, as they pretend to care while subtly eroding your self-assurance. Recognizing this fake concern is essential to breaking free from the gaslighter's control and seeking support for emotional recovery. Number 3, isolation. Gaslighters employ a manipulative tactic by systematically isolating victims from their friends and family, thereby diminishing crucial external support networks. This calculated isolation serves to intensify dependency on the gaslighter, as victims become increasingly reliant on them for validation and a sense of self-worth. Number 4, gaslighting by proxy. Gaslighters use gaslighting by proxy, involving others to support their narrative and increase isolation. This manipulation strengthens their distorted reality, making it difficult to find external validation. Recognizing and addressing this tactic is crucial for breaking free from gaslighters' influence and seeking validation independently. Number 5, projection. Gaslighters project their negative behaviors onto victims, accusing them of manipulation or abuse to deflect from their actions. Recognizing this tactic is vital for breaking free from control, restoring clarity, and reclaiming a sense of self. Number 6, doubt induction. Gaslighters use doubt induction to make victims constantly feel in the wrong, eroding confidence and self-esteem. Understanding this manipulation is vital for breaking free, restoring self-confidence, and rebuilding a healthy sense of self. Number 7, selective memory. Gaslighters employ selective amnesia, intentionally forgetting or altering past events to create confusion and undermine trust in shared experiences. It's essential to recognize this tactic in order to break free from their influence, restore confidence in your own memory, and reconstruct a stable foundation of reality. Number 8, belittling issues. Gaslighters make light of your concerns, play down your feelings, and make you believe what bothers you doesn't matter. It's important to notice this tactic to break free from their manipulation, acknowledge your emotions, and build a positive self-image. Number 9, shifting blame. Gaslighters shift blame onto you, diverting attention from their actions. This manipulative tactic fosters guilt and erodes self-esteem. Recognizing this is vital for breaking free from control, restoring a sense of justice, and rebuilding confidence in your judgment. Number 10, withholding information. Gaslighters employ manipulation techniques by either withholding crucial information or presenting partial truths. This distorts your perception, making you more vulnerable to their influence. Understanding this tactic is essential because it plays a pivotal role in gaining self-esteem, pursuing the truth, and reinstating a clear and accurate understanding of events. Well, that wraps up another quick dive into the intriguing world of human behavior on The 5-Minute Show. If you found this content valuable or have experiences to share, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more bite-sized insights. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, it's okay to seek support if you recognize these signs in your life. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and take care.